There's a parcel at your gate, Jim. It's from Mark at Ace Tree Services.
No way. Today we have a very large eucalyptus to dismantle. What a perfect opportunity to do a review on this brand new harness. Okay, today we are going to use this new notch harness supplied by Mark at the Ace Tree Shop. I've got something really awesome to show you. What do you think of those, folks? These are Buckinghams plus Kiwi Climbers joined together. Custom, guys, custom. The quickest way to the top of a tree to set all your rigging up is definitely this way. The SRS system is awesome. I don't think there's a quicker way to get to the top of a tree. This new system with the spikes, the Seika Mini Knee Ascender or SAKA, and the Kiwi Climbers Foot Ascender is just awesome. I really love this setup. Okay, so now that we've got to the top, it's time to switch across to MRS, and MRS is the way that I'll dismantle most of this tree. Okay, so we've switched across to MRS now, and I'm just going up to where I need to set up the rigging. It's only a few more limbs from here. My first harness that I ever owned was the Petzl Sequoia. After that, I've had several different harnesses. The thing I used to love about my old Petzl Sequoia harness was its weight. It was such a lightweight harness. This harness feels the same, but it also feels robust enough to be doing tree work all day, just like the Tree Motion harness. So far, I'm loving this harness. There's just one thing I wasn't too happy about, and that is that the D-rings are black and they're very hard to find sometimes. Because the notch has a Velcro kidney belt, it stays firmly attached to the climber's body. All harnesses should be like this, I reckon. This is my get up in the tree rope, because it's fast. Shall I go? Please don't forget to subscribe, and remember, keep those comments coming because we love to know what you guys love. Till next time, see you later. My first impression of this harness is
it is super hard to get the clip undone.